Say good morning. Playmobil FunPark. I'm more excited than my kids, for sure. They have no idea, but it's gonna be a good time.
A video wouldn't be legit without a proper intro. This is me, Jasmine, along with my 2 kids and my husband, who you just saw. We are traveling to Europe for a whole month. Come along with us as we share a number of fun field trips as a family of 4.
Then you shake it, look, you find the gems.
Wow, you made it. You made it. Nice. High five. Fist bump.
Where's the tiger, Alice?
What are you doing? What are you doing down there? You milking the cow?
Is the water coming out?
Oh, you milking the cow, man. Moo. That cow. Nice job. Good job, man. It's nice we're here on a Monday.
Yeah, it's not so crowded. What'd you think of it? I thought it was pretty fun.
Leo had a good time.
Oh, did you have fun?
A pup.
Yeah, you did. Mm-hmm.